It's just a wine bottle cap, but without it, a $1 million bottle of wine could be returned for not meeting standards. So what makes the difference? It's not just the shape, but a precise manufacturing process down to the millimeter. Let's discover the secret behind this seemingly small cap. We start with the inspection stage, because this is the part that makes or breaks a wine brand. The cap must be absolutely airtight, thanks to a rubber gasket that is precisely fitted to the millimeter, helping to retain the aroma, prevent leaks, and protect the product's quality over time. But to get here, the cap had to go through a journey full of refinement and modern technology. Phase 1 is raw material preparation. Aluminum and virgin plastic are the foundation for the quality of bottle caps. All must ensure purity, durability, and good formability when passed through machinery. From a flat roll of aluminum or plastic, a high-speed stamping machine forms thousands of caps per hour, uniform, precise, and strong. Even a small error of 0.1 millimeter can cause an entire batch of products to be rejected. After being shaped, the cap is now just a rough blank, mechanically precise but soulless. And at this stage, it is breathed into life with color, brand, and protective coating, just like you put on a high-class suit. Before printing, the cap surface must be treated with a specialized solvent to completely remove grease, metal dust, or impurities left after the stamping process. This not only helps the ink adhere better, but also prevents peeling and rusting after being exposed to the environment. Depending on the requirements of each wine brand, the cap will be printed using offset, silkscreen, or digital printing technology. Specialized printers operate continuously to print logos, slogans, codes, colors. Each detail clearly shows the uniqueness of the brand. For example, a premium wine line may require a gold-plated or embossed pattern on the cap to create a luxurious and exclusive feel. Many brands even encode QR codes or secret symbols on the cap for management and anti-counterfeiting purposes. After printing, the entire cap is put into an automatic paint booth to be coated with a protective layer. This layer can be UV paint to prevent scratches, antioxidation layer to keep the color durable over time, or a matte layer to increase friction when opening the cap. This is the armor layer that prevents the cap from fading, denting, or peeling off the printing layer under harsh transportation conditions. After going through a series of processing, printing, surface treatment, and quality control steps, the qualified lids will now enter the final stage of the chain, packaging and finishing. After passing the final inspection, the lids will be sent to the sorting conveyor, where the automatic machine system counts according to a predetermined quantity, usually 1,000 or 2,000 pieces per box. Smart sensors ensure that no defective lids enter this stage. If a deviation is detected, the chain will immediately stop for manual removal. The qualified lids will be placed in a forming tray or vacuum bag, depending on the storage requirements. They are then carefully placed in specialized cartons, usually 5-layer, with high load-bearing capacity, helping to protect the lids during long-distance transportation. Especially for export orders, the factory also wraps with heat shrink film and foam padding to prevent shock and water. Each carton has a label clearly stating the quantity, product code, production date, production shift, a QR code or barcode for traceability, helping distributors, warehouses, and end consumers to look up product information quickly and transparently. This is not only a requirement for quality and goods control, but also part of a transparent and professional branding strategy. Just a small bottle cap, but behind it is a complex technological chain, a strict quality control system, and a series of strict standards that few people expect. From choosing raw materials, stamping to the millimeter, sharp printing to tight inspection and standard packaging, every detail is calculated to protect something that seems simple, the flavor and value of the product inside. If you find today's cap makes you look at the wine bottle in a different way, don't hesitate. Leave a like if you like the chain storytelling style of content. Click subscribe to not miss the next videos, and comment below if you want me to expose the production process of water cans, boxes, can caps, or even the whole wine bottle.